Hi, estate planning attorney Brian Barboza, and today I'm going to discuss what are some of the advantages of having an attorney draft an estate plan versus a do-it-yourself DIY estate plan that you try to do on your own. Before we get started, however, if estate planning is something you want to explore your options or talk more about, please feel free to give me a call or go to my website, barbozalaw.com, book an appointment, speak with me for free directly through the website. Okay, so what are some advantages of having an attorney create an estate plan for you as opposed to a do-it-yourself kind of online estate planning kit that you might find? First, I am an attorney, obviously, so there could potentially be some bias here, but based on my 15 plus years of experience of being an attorney and practicing law, I've noticed some things about the whole do-it-yourself concept. Number one, there is a saying in the law, if you represent yourself, you have a fool for a client, and that is oftentimes true. The premise really is, you don't know what you don't know. And so let me kind of put that in the context of estate planning. If you are going to try to create an estate plan on your own, you may not really understand certain concepts, certain techniques, certain documents that are required and their efficacy, how to even execute those documents. Let me give you some examples. If you're trying to do your own estate plan, do you know if you need to have a trust-based estate plan or is a will-based estate plan fine? And if you do need a trust, do you understand that maybe your trust might need to include a disclaimer trust inside of it? Do you even know what a disclaimer trust is? Maybe your trust should have what's called a power of appointment in it. Do you even know what a power of appointment is, what its purpose, how it functions? These are pretty important estate planning concepts. Maybe you need a spendthrift clause in your trust. Do you understand what a spendthrift clause is? And the list goes on and on. Do you understand what a successor trustee is? Do you understand what the fiduciary duties of a successor trustee would be, what their powers are? So these are all concepts of estate planning that are pretty complex but very important. If you have, let's say, beneficiaries and you're kind of concerned with one of them not being good with money and you're concerned about them having a big lump sum of cash just infused in their bank account after you pass away, do you understand what a sprinkling clause is in a trust and how that would work? So the whole do-it-yourself concept, you're not going to know what these things are, and so there's a high probability that your estate plan may not be effective. Also, these documents, not only are they complicated, but they're very state by state. Every state has its own rules on how you can actually execute these documents. So do you even understand how to execute a trust versus a will, versus a power of attorney, versus an advanced healthcare directive? Which ones have to be notarized? Which ones have to be witnessed? Who can be a witness? So again, these are all things that you don't know what you don't know. And let's be honest, these documents may be some of the most important documents that you ever create in your life for yourself and for your loved ones. These documents will come into play when you, let's say, have Alzheimer's or dementia and you can't make good, sound medical decisions for yourself, or you're in a coma or you're hospitalized. Who's going to step in under these documents and help manage your financial affairs, help make medical decisions for you? And after you pass away, who's going to step in under the constructs of these documents, your trust, your will, etc., and actually be the administrator or the successor trustee? And what are they going to do? What are their responsibilities going to be? So these are some of the most important, if not the most important, documents you're going to create your entire life. So the whole do-it-yourself thing is somewhat concerning. And so yes, I am an attorney, but I'm not just saying this because I'm an attorney. This is what I have personally witnessed happening. And by the way, if you make a big mistake in your do-it-yourself estate plan, number one, your estate plan may not be effective, but number two, it may end up costing your estate and your loved ones thousands and thousands and thousands more dollars than it would have been to just get it right in the beginning and have an attorney who's experienced, who understands the differences between a trust and a will and a power of attorney and advanced healthcare directive, and even how to create ones that are tailored towards your special situation, create that estate plan for you. So that's it. That is the advantages of having an attorney create an estate plan for you versus a do-it-yourself like online estate planning kit. All right. If this was helpful, I hope you got something out of this video. I do appreciate you watching it. and have a good rest of your day. Take care. Bye.